Hi guys, this is Phil with Seachoice. You know, spring has finally arrived and brought with it some beautiful weather, especially here in South Florida. We've been treated to blue skies, cool evening breezes, and some spectacular sunsets, so it's a really good time to talk about our folding deck chairs. These chairs are perfect for enjoying some leisure time outdoors on your boat, on the dock, or anywhere you love to relax. We offer two models of folding deck chair, the white vinyl and blue canvas. Both feature 1-inch anodized aluminum tubing to resist the elements, double leg construction for extra stability, and non-marking feet to leave your deck scuff-free. Our blue canvas model features a high back with padded headrest, attractive varnished wood armrest, and a handy pouch in back for your favorite reading material. It's lightweight and folds up to a compact size that's easy to carry. The white vinyl model will complement virtually any cockpit. It has extra thick, comfortable padding in the seat, back, and armrest, and the covering is UV resistant and easy to clean. Our folding deck chairs are designed to enhance your enjoyment of boating. The conditions at the dock are so picture perfect that you don't have to go anywhere. To set them up wherever the view is best and relax with family, friends, and your favorite refreshments. Alright folks, if you have a question about our folding deck chairs, please leave it in the comments below. And be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you'd like to find a Seachoice dealer near you, go to seachoice.com and click Where to Buy. Thanks for watching.